3 years ago, I bought an induction cooktop, and I only used it a few times. The plan was to use it in cooking videos, but that never happened. But I am using it now because my gas stove has stopped working. It has just stopped. You need a special pan when you're using an induction cooktop. Anything that a magnet will stick to will work. This is the Rachael pan. Magnets stick to it, so it's going to be a good pan to use on an induction cooktop. The unit that I have has a pretty wide temperature range. It goes from 100 degrees all the way up to 460 degrees. It's pretty cool. It has a feature on there where you can boil water. It has a timer. It's got a fan on it, an exhaust fan. It's pretty loud, but it's also on a timer. It goes off after a while. Well, it goes off when you turn off the machine, and then there's like a minute or two, and the fan goes off after it's cooled everything down. It's easy to clean. You just use a damp cloth to wipe off the surface. Cleans pretty easily. It's lightweight. I keep ours on the counter. Doesn't feel like it's in the way or anything like that, so it's pretty cool.